Hey guys, this is Mike with Insain Solutions. I wanted to create this little video for people that already have a blog already set up, a previous blog set up, and they're wanting to switch over to the Jack Oliver theme. The easiest way that I've found to do it is just to create brand new pages instead of trying to convert your old stuff into the new Jack Oliver theme. The easiest way to do it is create new pages to display in the Jack Oliver theme setup, and then link those pages and set up a menu and link your main page as your home page, and then set up your menu so that it can be displayed properly on your website. Now, the first thing you need to do is set up your home page, which, if you see here, I've already got my website set up with the Jack Oliver theme. I've already gone in, changed the pictures out, put my descriptions in, linked my autoresponders and all that. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to so say this was your theme, and it would look all messed up on this setup if you were to switch it over. However, the easiest way to switch to the Jack Oliver theme would be to create a brand new page. What you'll do is you're going to go to your dashboard first, no matter what theme you previously had or whatever. What you're going to do is you're going to go down to your pages tab right here. Click on it. Now we're going to create. You see, I've got tons and tons and tons and tons of pages. Okay. So we're gonna create a brand new page. Add new. And don't worry, you can have tons of pages in WordPress. I'm talking thousands of pages in WordPress. So we're going to create some brand new page. We're going to name this one home page. Okay, just something. This is just an example. I mean, you can't name your page the same as a different page, another page, or you're going to wind up with numbers behind on the URL, and it's going to mess everything up. So, just for example purposes, I'm putting one homepage here. You could put Jack Oliver homepage or something like that for this. Very, very, very important. You want to make sure that over here on the template, the page attributes, the template, that you select the Jack Oliver page template. Okay? Very, very important to do that. Now, I'm already in the text tab. Usually when you create a new page, it's going to come up with the visual tab first. Make sure you're in the text tab. You're going to go over to Estage documentation, which I've already got it pulled up, just in a different tab. You're going to come down to the Jack Oliver template deal on the left-hand side. Now you're going to copy this shortcode for the home page, not the About Me page. We're working on the home page, so make sure you copy in the home page shortcode. Copy it, come back to your page, your brand new page. Make sure you're in the text tab, and then paste it in here. Now you're going to publish this page. All you need: home page, the shortcode, and make sure you're in the Jack Oliver page template, and then publish it. Alright, once that's loaded, now see, if I go back to visit my site, I still have this page set up as my home page. So in order to create that and set that new page up onto the Jack Oliver as your home page, what you'll need to do is go to Customize. And don't worry if this is a little confusing. I mean, WordPress takes a little bit of working in it to get to understanding how to do it. But you will, if you keep at it, you will be getting pretty good at it. Alright, now under homepage settings, when I went to the customize, it pulls this bar up. You see it says homepage settings here. You're going to select that, and then make sure you're on a static page, And then for home page, you select whatever page you want to be your home page right here. Okay? You can see there's the page that I just created right there. Now, once you select that page, okay, so let me go ahead and select it here. You're going to see it load up right here. Now, you can edit this page in the background and without anybody seeing it, as long as you haven't published it on this part yet. Even though the page is published in WordPress, it's not active as your home page. So you can set all this up using your old theme first, you know, while your old theme is still active, and then come back later, and once you've got all your pictures and stuff set up in it, then you can publish it, and your site will pretty much instantaneously change. You see what I'm saying? But just for explanation purposes, I'm going to go ahead and publish it to show you what I mean by it will change it. Now that it's published, I'm going to close this, and then this top black bar, because I'm editing WordPress right now, I got this top editing bar down up here. Now if I go back to dashboard, this time you'll see if I go to my website, it's going to pull up that new page that I set as the home page. Now I'm going to be creating another video that's going to be covering how to set up your menu up here. That way each page that you've created for the Jack Oliver theme can link together one by one. I hope this has been helpful. Like I said, this is just if you already have a theme set up and you're just wanting to switch to the Jack Oliver theme without messing your whole website up in the process. So you can do this over a longer period of time if you want, and take your time to make sure everything's correct before you switch this and make it live. So I hope it's been helpful, and I will see you in the next video talking about the menus and stuff. Thank you. Bye.